Hey there, and welcome to our tutorial on how to set permissions for your Quick Tasks administrators. Let's start with the general permissions. Here we have two toggles. The first toggle makes it so all admins automatically have access to the Quick Tasks feature. The second makes it so other admins can add admins to manage Quick Tasks. We will turn both off to have full control. From here, we can easily remove Pamela as an administrator, since we don't want her to have access to Quick Tasks. That's how simple it is. Now, let's look at how we can limit access to the All Tasks tab. This gives admins access to see all tasks in the platform. In my account, I don't want all admins to see everyone's tasks. For that, we can head to the All Tasks tab, where we can set specific permissions for the tab itself. Just like the general permissions, we can remove the top toggles and remove the administrators we do not wish to have access to this tab. Now, when they access their dashboard, they will no longer see the All Tasks tab. Remember that you can also manage the permissions for all features by heading to Users, Admin tab, and then under Permissions. Thanks for watching.